When Aryabhata gave us zero and Brahmagupta formalized algebra in the 7th century, they weren't just solving equations, they were teaching us that true knowledge comes from understanding fundamental patterns, not memorizing solutions.
Huh, but boss, Google's new AI just solved international mathematical Olympiad geometry problems without any training data. सिर्फ लॉजिक से. We took centuries to build mathematical frameworks. ये मशीन कुछ घंटों में कर रहा है.
Precisely the point. Recall the legend of Shakuntala Devi. She could calculate the 23rd root of a 201-digit number faster than computers. But when asked how, she said she saw the patterns. Pattern recognition isn't computation, it's consciousness.
अच्छा, so you are saying AI is just high-speed pattern matching? But yaar, AlphaGeometry is creating new proofs, original mathematical reasoning. That's not just memorization, that's creation.
Creation within defined boundaries. Remember the Sulba Sutras from 800 BC, our mathematicians calculated square roots geometrically for yajna altars. They understood that mathematics serves purpose. Can this AI tell you why we need a particular proof?
Okay, fair point. The machine solves brilliantly but has zero context of application. बस solve करता है क्योंकि वो trained है तो solve. But then again, half our IIT coaching students भी यही तो कर रहे हैं, patterns रट रहे हैं without understanding purpose.
And therein lies our modern crisis. We've created an education system that optimizes for the same metrics we now use to train artificial intelligence, speed and accuracy on standardized problems. We've become what we built our machines to replace.
Wow. So the real question isn't whether AI can think like ancient Indian mathematicians, but whether modern Indian students still can. We are basically competing to be better machines than the machines.
The ancients would find it tragically ironic. We're celebrating AI that mimics human reasoning while simultaneously training humans to think like algorithms.
Exactly, boss. We've created the ultimate reverse engineering, machines learning to be human, humans learning to be machines. Aryabhata is probably somewhere doing a facepalm with his zero hand gesture.